Hello, little friends. I'm so excited to go on this alphabet adventure with you. Are you ready to learn all the letters from A to Z? We're going to see so many fun things and sing together. Let's get started. Look, it's the letter A. A is for apple. Can you see the big red apple? Yummy. Let's sing together. A apple, A apple. That's the letter A. Now what comes after A? That's right, it's B. B is for banana. Yellow and curved, bananas are so tasty. B banana, banana. That's the letter B. Oh, here comes C. C is for cat. Look at the cute fluffy cat. What sound does a cat make? Meow, meow. C cat, cat. That's the letter C. Good job, little ones. You've learned the first 3 letters of the alphabet. Now it's time for D. D is for dog. See the happy dog wagging its tail? Woof, woof. Let's sing. Diddy dog, dee dog. That's the letter D. Next up is E. E is for elephant. Look at the big elephant with its long trunk. Elephant, elephant. That's the letter E. And here comes F. F is for fish. Watch the colorful fish swimming in the water. Bubble, bubble. F fish, F fish. That's the letter F. You're doing so well, my little friends. Let's keep going with G. G is for grapes. Can you see the bunch of purple grapes? Yum, yum. Grapes, grapes. That's the letter G. Now, what comes after G? It's H. H is for hat. Look at all the funny hats. Hat, H, hat. That's the letter H. Time for I. I is for igloo. See the white round igloo made of ice? Brr, it's cold. I igloo. That's the letter I. You're learning so fast, little ones. Here comes J. J is for juice. Look at the glass of orange juice. It looks so refreshing. JJ juice. That's the letter J. Next is K. K is for kite. See the pretty kite flying high in the sky? KK kite. KK kite. That's the letter K. Now it's time for L. L is for lion. Can you hear the lion's big roar? Roar. Lion. Lion. That's the letter L. You're doing great, my little friends. Let's meet M. M is for moon. Can you see the bright round moon in the night sky? Moon. That's the letter M. What comes after M? It's N. N is for nest. Look at the little birds in their cozy nest. Chirp, chirp. Nest. Nest. That's the letter N. Oh, here's O. O is for octopus. Watch the funny octopus with its 8 arms swimming in the sea. Oh, octopus. Oh, octopus. That's the letter O. You're so clever, little ones. Now it's time for P. P is for penguin. See the cute penguin waddling on the ice? Penguin. Penguin. That's the letter P. Next up is Q. Q is for queen. Look at the beautiful queen with her shiny crown. Queen. Queen. That's the letter Q. And here comes R. R is for rabbit. Watch the fluffy rabbit hopping along. Hop, hop. Rabbit. Rabbit. That's the letter R. You're learning so many letters, my little friends. Let's say hello to S. S is for sun. Can you see the bright, happy sun shining in the sky? Sun. That's the letter S. Now what comes after S? That's right, it's T. T is for turtle. Look at the slow turtle carrying its shell. Turtle. Turtle. That's the letter T. Time for U. U is for umbrella. See the colorful umbrella keeping us dry from the rain? U. Umbrella. U umbrella. That's the letter U. You're doing so well, little ones. Here comes V. V is for violin. Listen to the beautiful music the violin makes. Violin, violin. That's the letter V. Next is W. W is for whale. See the big whale swimming in the ocean? WW whale. That's the letter W. Now it's time for X. X is for xylophone. Can you hear the fun sounds of the xylophone? Ding dong. XX xylophone. That's the letter X. You're almost finished with the alphabet, my clever friends. We're at the end of our alphabet adventure. Y is for yogurt. Look at the yummy yogurt with fruit on top. Y yogurt. Y yogurt. That's the letter Y. And finally we have Z. Z is for zebra. See the zebra with its black and white stripes? Zebra. Zebra. That's the letter Z. Hooray, we've learned all the letters from A to Z. Wow, you did it! We've learned all the letters from A to Z. I'm so proud of you, my little friends. Let's sing the alphabet song one more time together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Keep practicing and have fun with your new alphabet knowledge.